Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. It is around 5:20 I believe. So I finished work at 5 and I thought that today's video would be a nighttime routine. I have previously tried to film this but I haven't even edited yet and I just don't think it's going to be good enough. So I am refilming it. I hope this one makes the cut. So yeah, today it is a Wednesday. I am home, I'm at my mum's. This is basically my nighttime routine when I'm at hers. There are some nights where I'm at Jack's and usually I go to the gym before I go to Jack's because it's closer than my house. So yeah, I am filming a nighttime routine when I'm at my mum's. What I do, usually my mum is here and so is her boyfriend, but tonight she doesn't finish till 9. So I thought this is the perfect opportunity for me to refilm this and actually get some good content into it. So yeah, this is my nighttime routine and I do hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do then please subscribe, hit the like button, and let's jump on into the night. So I'm up in my room and I am about to basically get ready, and I know that sounds so ridiculous, so I'm about to put some makeup on and sort my hair out and set up, because when I'm at my mum's I film my videos and I edit my videos when I'm here. So I am about to film, that's not the bag, here it is. I'm about to film a Pretty Little Thing haul, so watch out for that. I don't know if that's going to be up before or after, but I'm about to film that. So basically, yeah, when I'm at my mum's I film my videos because my light's here, my camera's here, my computer's here. So I film and edit when I'm here, and that's basically what I'm about to do. I'm about to film a Pretty Little Thing haul. So before that I need to make myself look presentable, which is so annoying because I literally put it on, film, and then take it off, and I'm not even joking, that is exactly what I do. So it's just a waste of makeup, but it's fine. So that's what I'm about to do. I've got my makeup here. So yeah, my makeup is all in here, and I'm literally just about to sit on my bed and put on, so I might actually, yeah, I'm going to put on some YouTube videos while I'm getting ready, and then I'm going to do my makeup, sit here and get on with that. It doesn't actually usually take me that long to get ready when I'm filming a video. The bit that does take the longest, like behind the scenes, like you see the video, brilliant, but literally setting up to film, so you've got to put the ring light in the right place, the camera in the right place, the right backdrop, make sure you've got everything you need. Yeah, there's a lot, and I always want to make sure that I look nice, so I get ready for it, brush my teeth, sort my hair out. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm about to do. So I'm not going to bore you guys and make you watch me do my makeup. I am going to go do that now, and then I will basically be filming my video. So I've done my makeup, as you can tell, so I'm kind of more ready to film. So yeah, I am now in my outfit to film, so I'm just going to wear this plain white t-shirt, well, long sleeve top, and then I'm in my tracksuit bottoms because you can't see them when I'm filming. I like to be comfy, but as you can see I've got a line. I have done my makeup, and then I am just going to quickly put some dry shampoo in because my hair's looking a little bit greasy and it picks up on camera. Oh yeah, so I just thought I'd show the setup. I think this is what we're going to go for. So we've got the light here, I'm going to sit, and then hopefully it will just be a plain background, and then I always put everything that I need nearby me and then I can just grab it. Okay, I don't really know what this angle is like, so now I have, I've finished my makeup, my hair is now not as greasy, and now I'm going to film my video and then I'll be back afterwards. Okay guys, so I have now finished filming and my room is a mess. It always happens after filming, especially filming a haul. Look, just look. So this is my station where I was getting ready, and then this is all of the clothes. This is my trousers from work, and then this is all of the clothes that I've shown in the haul, and yeah. But now I need to tidy up all of this mess. So yeah, I am going to go downstairs and I am going to put some food in the oven because I'm so hungry. So let's go downstairs. There's a hair on the lens. So yeah, let's go downstairs and let's see what I can have for dinner. Okay, so I am going to have this breaded cod for dinner. I'm trying to eat healthy, so I'm going to have cod, sweet corn, peas and spinach, and I'm going to have the veg all mixed up, and then I'm going to have this cod. So I'm about to put it in the oven for dinner. So in the oven that goes. So I'm currently cooking the broccoli and the peas, and then I've got a tin of sweet corn that I'm going to add to it in a minute, and then I also have some spinach which I'm going to add in a minute as well. My dinner, it looks so healthy, so it's cod and then broccoli, spinach, sweet corn and peas, and I'm about to eat it now. So guys, I have finished my dinner. There's literally like nothing left. So yeah, I finished my dinner and I am going to go tidy up the kitchen. I'm going to go upstairs. I'm going to choose my outfit for tomorrow. So this is my outfit for work tomorrow. Just a grey turtleneck, my pants, and then some checkered trousers. I work in an office, so I need to wear smart things. So this is my outfit for tomorrow. And then now I am about to jump in the shower. My shower, I'm going to be washing my face with this. I've been using it for a while now and I literally love it. It makes my skin feel so soft. And then just my body wash, and then my shampoo and conditioner and stuff is over here. I think I'm going to use this one today, but yeah, I'm going to go wash my hair and then I'll be back. You can tell I have just got out of the shower and I am about to brush my hair because it's still knotty and wet, and then I'm going to get into my pyjamas and I'm going to sit on my bed and I'm going to watch some YouTube videos whilst I wait for, what's it called, I'm a Celebrity to start, because that's on at the moment, so that's what I've been watching every night at 9 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna get comfy and into bed basically. Okay, so I have now put on the TV and my hair's brushed. I am in my pyjamas and I'm going to get into bed. So I've just made my little setup. So I've put my pillows here, my towel down, and then I'm gonna get under my blanket and I'm going to watch I'm a Celebrity now and basically go to bed, well, to sleep afterwards. So guys, that is the end of my nighttime routine, just because not a lot is really going to happen from here, so I'm literally just going to watch I'm a Celebrity, brush my teeth and go to sleep. So I hope you guys did enjoy this little video, and if you did then please hit the like button and please subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, bye!